HTML lists and media, a quick guide. Hello there, welcome to another video on mastering HTML. In this video we will be covering how to add lists to our code and website. In addition to that, we will learn how to add images, videos and audio files in our websites. Let us start with HTML lists. Lists are one of the fundamental HTML elements used for creating ordered and unordered lists of items, such as a list of ingredients, steps in a process, or a collection of links. We'll discuss the two types of lists, that is, ordered and unordered lists, and how to create them using HTML tags. Let's start with unordered lists. As the name suggests, these lists do not have any specific order, and the items in the list are presented with a bullet point. It's denoted by the UL tag. Each item in the list is enclosed within an LI tag. You can add as many list items as you need, and the browser will automatically add bullet points for each item. As you can see, the UL tag includes multiple LI tags, which stand for list item. Each list item is marked by a bullet point. Now let's move on to ordered lists. Unlike unordered lists, ordered lists have a specific order, and the items are numbered sequentially. It's denoted by the OL tag. The OL tag includes multiple LI tags, just like the unordered list. However, each list item is numbered in ascending order, and instead of bullet points. The browser will display the items with a number, starting with 1. Now, let's talk about nesting lists. Sometimes, you may need to create a list within a list. In HTML, you can nest an unordered or ordered list inside another list. As you can see, we've created an unordered list within an unordered list. To nest a list, simply add the UL or OL tag within an LI tag of the outer list. In our example, we've nested an unordered list within the second item of the outer unordered list. You can clearly see how it looks in the browser. HTML lists come with default styling, but you can customize the look of your lists using CSS. You can change the color, size, style, and position of the bullets or numbers, as well as the spacing between the items in the list. How to insert media files in HTML. Now, let's move on to adding media to your web page. HTML media includes videos, audio, and images. These elements can be embedded directly into your website using HTML tags. Images, videos and audio files can make your web page more engaging and interactive. Let's start with images. To add an image to your web page, you'll need to use the IMG tag, along with the source attribute to specify the location of the image. The IMG tag does not require a closing tag. To manage the size of the image, you can use other attributes like width and height. After adding these attributes, you can clearly see the change in size in the image. This makes it more manageable. The alt attribute contains an alternative text if the image fails to load. It can be read out to provide a description of the image by screen reading software used by the visually impaired. To caption an image, you need to enclose the img tag in a figure tag. Then you can enclose your caption between the fig caption tags, which can be placed either before or after the img tag. As you can see, our caption is at the bottom of our image. For videos, you'll need to use the video tag, along with the source attribute to specify the location of the video. You can also use other attributes like width and height to control the size of the video. We can use the controls attribute to add video controls to the player, such as play, pause, and volume. The type attribute can be used to specify the type of video file. You can add text such as, "Video not supported," between the opening and closing video tags, which will be displayed if the browser is unable to play the video. Let's add audio files. To add an audio file to your HTML code, you'll need to use the audio tag and the source attribute to specify the location of your audio file. The type attribute specifies the type of audio file. The controls attribute adds audio controls to the player, such as play, pause, and volume. It's important to consider the file size of your images and videos, as larger files can slow down your web page and make it less responsive. That's it for this video on HTML lists and adding media in HTML. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now better equipped to create organized lists and add engaging media to your web pages. Thanks for watching.